Hi, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to store your leftovers. As a single home cook on a budget, leftovers are my friends. It's not all 3-course meals and tasting menus for this chef. And like all my friends, I've got to treat them right. My days of just sticking my leftovers in the fridge or freezer and hoping for the best are long gone. Most of the tips you see below were learned the hard way after several plates of lackluster leftovers. But by following these tips, vegan spaghetti or jollof rice will taste almost as good on day 3 as it did on day 1. To do this, you will need airtight containers or resealable bags, plastic wrap or aluminum foil, permanent markers or labels, and surely a refrigerator or freezer. Then, let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that you must allow the leftover food to cool down to room temperature before storing it. This helps prevent condensation and moisture buildup in the storage containers, which can lead to food spoilage. Then, select airtight containers or resealable bags that are suitable for storing food. Ensure that they are clean and in good condition to maintain the freshness of the leftovers. If you have a large amount of leftovers, consider portioning them into smaller servings. This makes it easier to reheat and use only what you need, reducing waste. So place the cooled leftovers into airtight containers or resealable bags. If using containers, leave some headspace to allow for expansion during freezing. Make sure the containers are tightly sealed to prevent air and moisture from entering. Use a permanent marker or label to write the name of the food and the date it was stored. This helps you keep track of the contents and ensures that you use the oldest leftovers first. If you're using containers, you can further protect the leftovers by wrapping the container with plastic wrap or aluminum foil. This provides an extra layer of insulation against air and helps maintain freshness. Place the sealed containers or bags in the refrigerator or freezer, depending on your desired storage method and the type of food. For short-term storage, around 3 days, refrigeration is sufficient. For longer storage, up to a few months, freezing is recommended. Ensure that the containers or bags are arranged in a way that allows for proper airflow and prevents cross-contamination. Keep raw meats separate from other foods to avoid any potential foodborne illnesses. When you're ready to enjoy the leftovers, reheat them thoroughly to a safe internal temperature. Refer to specific food safety guidelines for recommended reheating instructions. Consume the leftovers within the recommended timeframes to ensure quality and safety. Generally, refrigerated leftovers should be consumed within 4 days, while frozen leftovers can be stored for several months. That's it. Wasn't that very easy to do? Let me know in the comments how much food have you saved, and therefore how much more money have you saved instead of throwing everything away. I know I have, and I'm so happy about it. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Goodbye, my friends.